What is design thinking? Every day, we're faced with complex problems to solve. But how do we make sense of these challenges and come up with innovative solutions? Enter design thinking. Design thinking isn't just for designers. It's a mindset and a methodology embraced by innovators, entrepreneurs, and forward thinkers worldwide. At its core, design thinking puts human needs at the center. It's about understanding people's problems, and then designing solutions that meet those needs, effectively and efficiently. Contrary to what some might think, design thinking isn't about creating aesthetically pleasing products. It's about creating products, services, or solutions that are functional, user-friendly, and that meet the user's needs in the most effective way. The design thinking process typically consists of 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. But it's not a linear process. It's iterative and flexible, allowing for modifications along the way. Empathize is the first step. This is where you immerse yourself in the user's world, understanding their needs, motivations, and challenges. It's about gaining insight into their lives, not just their overt needs. Next, we have define. Here you'll distill all the information you've gathered during the empathize stage. You'll define the problem you're trying to solve, always keeping the user's needs in mind. Then we move to ideate. This is where you generate a wide range of creative solutions. It's about thinking outside the box and challenging the status quo. The goal is to come up with as many ideas as possible. The prototype stage is where you bring your ideas to life. You'll create a physical or digital model of your solution. The prototype doesn't have to be perfect, it's a tool for testing and refining your idea. Finally, we test. This is where you put your prototype in front of users and gather feedback. Testing helps you understand if your solution meets the user's needs and how it can be improved. But the process doesn't end there. Design thinking is iterative. You'll go through the stages multiple times, refining your solution based on user feedback, until you've created something that truly meets their needs. Design thinking is not just about problem solving. It's about problem finding. It's about uncovering the underlying needs and wants of users, and designing solutions that meet those needs in the most effective way. In a fast-paced world where change is the only constant, design thinking provides a framework for innovation. It pushes us to think differently, to challenge assumptions, and to put users at the heart of the design process. So, are you ready to embrace design thinking? Are you ready to put users at the center, to empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test? Remember, design thinking is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously learning, iterating, and improving. Design thinking is about making lives better, one problem at a time. It's about creating solutions that are not just functional and efficient, but also delightful and meaningful. That's the power of design thinking. That's the power of thoughtful design.